Hello guys, welcome to the today's tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a very simple Android application. This application is about quiz. In this application, there is 5 questions. If you give any right answer, it will show you a success message, and if you give any wrong answer, it will show you a error message and the right answer. Let's check the application. The question number and the score will also change according to your answer. So let's start the development. At first we need to create a new Android Studio project. Open the Android Studio and create a new project. Quiz amp. This is the name of our company, and this is the place where the project will save. Go to the next, select, okay, select empty activity, is next, main activity, and select finish. um, it will now create the project, and it will take some time. The project is now ready. Now we can start working on the design. We will work on the activity main page. We will use the linear layout. Mm, we will take another linear layout, match parent, wrap content, and the linear layout, the orientation of the linear layout will be vertical. At first we will take a text view to show the question. Match parent, and the height will be 200 dp. ID will be question. Text, for now we can show some simple question. Equal to what? We need to change the text color. Zero, zero, zero. And text size will be 2 dp. We need to show the text in the center of the text view. We will use the gravity properties for this. We can also change the color of the text view. We will use some pre-selected color. We can store the color in the values folder. There is a color.xml. We will use this color in different places of this application. Background, which color I will use? Color 5. We can add some margin in the text view, which will look good. So it's 10 dp. And after that we need an edit box to enter the answer. Match parent, wrap content. We can also add margin here, 10 dp. ID will be answer. We can add some hint here. Hint, write your answer. After that we need a button to submit the answer. And add another margin 10. Background will be, which color we should use? Color 2. We need to add some text for the button. Submit. We can change the color of the text. I think it's okay. So now let's see how it's look. It will take some time to build the project. Yeah, it's look good. Now we need to add some progress bar over this text view, and we will also add the score and the number of questions upon the text view. And for that we will take another linear layout. Match parent, wrap content, orientation, vertical. Yeah. At first we will take a progress bar, match point, wrap content. We don't need this circular progress bar, but we need to change the style. You can find the style horizontal, progress bar horizontal. Yeah. You can check the progress color here. 10. Yeah. We can also change the progress color. The code to change the progress color is the progress tint. We will use color 2. Yeah. We can limit the height to 10 dp. Also we need an ID. Now we need to add the label for score and the number of question. For that we need another relative view layout inside of this linear layout. Match parent, wrap content. Yeah. One thing we need to add here, we need to add the orientation in the main linear layout. Now it's okay. Relative layout. Now we need to add text view. Wrap content ID will be non question, which means number of question. We can add the text here. question number question number. We can change the color of the text background. Sorry, it will be text color 000. I think we need to make the text smaller. Text size 12 dp. Yeah, it's okay. Now we need to align this text view in the left side of this screen. Align parent left. True. We can just copy this for the score. Now we need to align this text view to the right side of this screen. Align parent right. True. That's good. We can add margin left to look more nice. We need to add margin left to make this design look nice. Margin right 5 dp. I think we can add this margin in the top linear layout. Yeah, it's look much nicer. We can change the background color of this top bar. 000. I think this will look good, more good. I think this will look more cool if we add the margin in the progress bar and the relative layout. We can also add margin in the top of this progress bar 5 dp. Yeah. Margin button 5 dp. I think our design is now ready. We can check this design in the I think our design is now ready. We can check this design on the emulator. Let's run this application. I think the design looks good. Now we can start working on the logic. Let's start. At first we need to connect the layout component in the Java file. I have connected the text view, edit text and the button. Now we need to create a model class for the question. Using this model class we can easily add a question in this application. I will just paste the question model here. In this question model there is two members. One is question string and one is the answer. Now we will see how we will use this model question. We will create an array list of this model and add question here in this model. Question model array list. We need to import the array list. I think I have made a mistake. Yeah. Now we need to initialize this question array list. Now we need to add some question in this array list. I have already created some sample question. Now I will call this function set up the question. To set all the data in the application, we need to add some logic here. At first we need to create a variable where I can store the current position of the question. At first the current position will be 0. Now I will create a function where by which I can set the data. Public void set data. Question, sorry, question level set text, question model entities. I will get the current question and get the question answer. We also need to change the text of the question long and the score. Question count level set text, question long, this will be the current position plus 1. To count the score we need a variable number of character answer. At first the number of character answer will be 0. So the score level set text score number of correct answer and the number of question. We can get the number of question using this code. Now we need to set up, call the function here. Let's see how our apps look now. The app is working perfectly. The question now score and the question level is showing. Now we need to add some code so that when anyone submit any answer, the app can check if it is right or wrong. For that we need to call on click function of this submit button set on click. Now we need a function so that we can check if the answer is right or wrong. For that we will use this function. In this function I am taking the answer string and checking if it is right or wrong. I am using the answer of the question model to check this answer. If the answer is right, I am increasing the number of correct answer. I am also changing the progress bar according to the number of question answered and the number of question in the array list. Mm, Now call the check this answer. Uh, we need to check if the answer is right or wrong. For now, we can use the log answer right, wrong. Now run this application. Let's give a right answer. We can check the log in the bottom view. In this bottom view, you can check the right answer. Answer is right. Now see what if we submitted a wrong answer. It's saying the answer is wrong, but there is one problem: the question is not changing. Now we need to change the question after we submitted any answer. For that we need to add a few line of code. To change the answer after every submission, we need to increase the number of current position and set the data. We also need to change the answer edit text to empty string. Set text, sorry. We also need to do the same for the wrong answer. Let's see what happens. Now let's see what happened now. Mm, the app is now running. Let's submit a right answer. There is a new question and the question number is also changed and the score is also changing. Now submit another answer. This is make it wrong. This is saying the answer is wrong and the number of question is increased and the score is same because I have submitted a wrong answer. Let's see what happens if we give a right answer. 108. Yeah, the score is now changing. I think the app is working perfectly. Now we need to add some extra code so that it looks nice. We can show a message if the answer is right, and we all can also show the wrong answer if the answer is wrong. Let's do that. To show the right and wrong answer, we will use this library. We can easily import this library in the Android Studio. For that we need to add Maple Central code in the build Gradle and also we need to add this code. We will add this code in this file. After adding this new library, we will sync the project. After adding this library, we need to change a code so that the library can work perfectly. We need to add this line of code here. Now if we rebuild the project, I think this will be okay. The app has been successfully built. Now we can start working on the dialog. Now we need to change some code in the check answer function. We will add the success message in the in if the answer is right, and the error message if the answer is wrong. This is the new check answer function. In this function I have added the success sweet alert dialog and the wrong sweet alert dialog. If the answer is wrong, I am adding the right answer in the context text. When anyone click the confirm text, the next question will appear, and the other thing is same for the right and wrong answer. Let's run the application and let's see what happens. I am giving a wrong answer. The answer is wrong. The right answer is 3. Okay, I think then this is the next question. 64. Right answer. Let's see. Keep submitting answer. Our app is crashing. I think I know why the app is crashing. There is a problem. We kept calling the set data function when anyone pressed the OK button, and at one moment when there is no question left in the list, the app is crashing. To stop that, we need to add some code here. We need to check if there is any other question left or not. This is the new set data function. In this function I am checking the total size of the question array list and the current position. If the size of the question array list is greater than the current position, then I am setting the question level and other data. Otherwise I am showing incomplete message. You have successfully completed the quiz, and also showing the score of the quiz. I am also showing two buttons. One is registered button and other is close button. If anyone click the close button, then the app will be terminated. Otherwise, if anyone click the registered button, the app will start from the beginning. The current position will set to 0, and the number of correct answer will be set to 0, and the application will run from the beginning. Let's run the application again, see if the app is crashing or not. I will submit random answer to check the functionality. Now I have completed all the question. My score is showing. Now if I click the close button, the app will terminate, and if I click the restart button, the app will start from the beginning. Our quiz application is complete. I hope you can create your own quiz application now. If you have any problem, feel free to comment on the comment section. I will try to help you. So bye for now. Take care.